Hi guys, my name is KIRTHIC from Mechanical Engineering second year in Amrita Vishwavidyapira, and I am the instructor of an welding technology in IWS Amrita, that is an Indian Welding Society of Amrita. So welcome for the classes. So in this class you can learn about what welding is, advantages, disadvantages, applications, classifications, and types of joints in welding, and common defects. So first of all, what is mean by welding? The simplest and easiest definition of welding is joining of metals by heating. So the definition is given by joining of metals by heating to joining of metals by heating to suitable temperature without applications of pressure and with or without use of the filler material. Now let us see some of the advantages and disadvantages of welding process. The advantages are the large number of metals which can be both similar or dissimilar can be joined by welding, and a good weld is strong as the base metal. It has low manufacturing cost, and practical welding equipments are commonly available in every workshops, and welding is also method for repairing the defective metal. Now let us see some of the disadvantages. During the process, the heat will produce it that changes the metallurgical properties. In simplest form, we can say means there is a change in both physical and chemical properties. And nesting, the structure of weld joint is not same as that of parent metal, and during the welding, it produces a harmful radiation such as light, fumes, and spatters. And for producing good welding job, skilled worker is a must. These are some of the applications in welding. Therefore, the welding can be applied in many areas. For some of them are listed here. That is in structural members of bridges and buildings are being welded, steel reservoirs, boilers, pressure vessels, and pipelines, and some in automobile bodies. Okay. Now let's see about types. So welding is classified into only two types. So what are they means? It is a fusion and pressure. So let's see about fusion. The fusion welding, the metal is heated into the molten state and allowed to solidify. So these type of welding includes arc, thermite, and gases. Classification of fusion welding. The fusion welding is classified into 6 types, and these 6 types are again classified into then further divisions. So fusion is classified as gas, arc, resistance, solid state, thermite, and radiant. And this gas welding is again classified into 3 types, known as an oxyacetylene, aeracetylene, and oxyhydrogen. And arc is classified into the carbon arc, shield metal, plasma arc, submerged, atomic hydrogen, TIC, MIG, electroslag, and fluxicore. And this TIC, MIG is nothing but tungsten in a gas and a metal in a gas. Resistance. The resistance is classified into 4 types, is known as a seam, spot, projection, and bud. And this bud is again classified into 2 types, is known as a resistance bud and a flash bud. Solid state. The solid state is classified into 7 types. Is forge, fabrication, cold, hot pressure, diffusion, roll, and friction. And radiant energy. The radiant energy is classified only 2 types, is known electric beam and laser beam. Now let's see about pressure welding. So in the name itself is having pressure. That is, the metal can be joined by applying some pressure. So this is the technical definition. So the metal to be joined or heated to the plastic region. Yes, in fusion welding, you melt the metal into the molten state, but here you melt into the plastic state and forced together by the external pressure. And this type of welding includes gas, thermite, resistance, and forge. There it includes gas, thermite, and arc. So here you melt the metal into the plastic region. So it is otherwise known as plastic welding or is forge welding. Types of joints. As we see about joints, there are only 5 types of joints in welding. So there are butt, lap, corner, edge and T joints. And this slide will show about some of the image of those joints. Okay. During the process in welding, the welding position is an important role. That is, there are only 4 positions. It is known as flat, horizontal, vertical and overheaded. And these are the welding symbol. So this symbol represents the V groove. You can see in first slide. But this is not alone a symbol is given. There are many types of symbols during the welding of process. Okay. Now see about the joint symbol. So this parallel lines represents a square groove. This is one. Next is a bevel groove, and V shape is known as a V groove, and next is called backing. And these are symbols of corner joints. And this is a fillet. Next we can say about some of the common defects, common welding defects. So during the process there are some defects may be occur. So let us see some of them. So defects are cracks, porosity, undercut, underfill, slag and pinhole. And there is otherwise the slag is also known as an inclusions. So these are the image of those defects. That is, the first image shows about the porosity, second is slag, and this slag will prevent the weld area from the atmospheric gases. That is, it prevents from oxidation. And third one is a pinhole. You can see that only one gap is there. And fourth one is an undercut. Okay. In gas flow process, that is in GMAW, that is in gas metallic arc welding, the defects like porosity, pinhole and undercut are seen. Okay. Now let us see about some of the chemical reagents to identify these type of defects. So only there are 3 types of reagents that we are going to use to identify the defects. So let us see some of them. So first is cleaner, second penetrant and developer. First the workpiece should, after welding the workpiece is first cleaned with a cleaner and is treated with a penetrant and leave for 20 to 25 minutes for the proper absorption, and again clean it with a cleaner and treat the metal piece with the developer and allow it for 5 to 10 minutes, and the red identification of the in the metal is your defect area. So conclusion. So in this class you are learned about what welding is, advantages, disadvantages, applications, classifications, common defects and influence of the chemical reagents.